Now let's talk about MSF database a bit. In the terminal window in Metasploit, type help to see the DB related commands, database backend commands. Now let's try this hosts. As you see, there's one record here. Metasploit automatically created an entry based on the module we run in the previous lecture. You see the IP address here, an operating system name, and some other information about that target. Now let's type services. You see the port, protocol, name of the service, and last known state which was open, and some information about that. If you are already thinking about the previous Nmap scans we have conducted, that's great, because that's exactly what we are going to do now. Since we spent some time and effort for directing hosts and open services on those hosts previously, it will be a good idea to import those findings to MSF database. Now, type db_import space -h. Now you see some DB import related help guide. It says currently supported file names include perfect Nmap XML. Luckily it supports Nmap and we already have the XML extension Nmap output ready. Okay, now type db import again and then press tab twice. You see some files listed here. Note that this directory is the place where you started MSF session. We have previously saved our Nmap output on the root, desktop, and Nmap results. So you can of course point any file using this syntax, but let's continue from where we left. Root, desktop, Nmap results, scan results, and you see different files. We will use this XML file. You see it already started importing the results. If we type again, hosts, now we have two hosts listed here. What about services? And you will see many different services here. Of course, these findings are based on the Nmap results. Furthermore, there is another nice feature in Metasploit. We can directly run Nmap scans and the results will be automatically saved to this database. When you type services, you see there are some service info missing in the output. You see info, but many of them are actually missing. How about filling them with this nice db Nmap feature? Now type the following command with me. db Nmap 192, 168, 174, 132, top ports. You can use the Nmap commands and other features directly here, like you're running the Nmap. T5, let's make it fast. -n, we don't want DNS resolution. We don't want to ping the hosts, and then get me the services. Since we are running the service detection feature, it actually requires some time to complete. Okay, looks like it is done. Now let's type services again to check out the findings. You see for 132, I now have my services. Let's try for this 131 again and complete this list. Okay, now it is completed. Type services again to see the complete list. Here we go. Perfect. Now we will try to use the details of services to exploit them. If there is a vulnerability, then we can try to exploit them. Okay, that's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.